Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2017 Toyota Camry V6 maintenance light reset. Keep in mind, this is a V6 model, so those of you that have the four-cylinder model, go ahead and search my other video for the four-cylinder. But for those of you that has a V6 Camry, this is how we're gonna do it. We're going to be using these buttons over here: left, right, up, down, OK for enter, and back. And keep in mind, we're going to be doing this with the car on and engine off. And go ahead and turn on your car without starting. Okay, and you're going to get here. Now when you get here, make sure your foot is on the brake so all this can disappear on you like that. Now you're going to be pressing back. Now scroll down all the way down till you find your page, which is here. Now when you get here, go ahead and click right all the way down until you find this. Okay, now press OK and hold. Okay, now scroll down to schedule maintenance, click on it, scroll up to yes, OK on it, and there it is, guys. That's how we do it. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.